Hey YouTube, it's Taki with Taki Tech. Okay, so in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this module here that we used for our random number. Then I'm going to create a new module that's going to hold the function or the macro, for a lack of a better term, that we will use that we will use with the button. So first off, to name a module, you could double click on it all day. It's not going to do anything. There's nothing here that really will change it. Now, you could do the VA project properties, but that's just giving you the properties of the VBA project. What you have to do is you have to go into View and you have to look at the Properties window, and it's right down here. And this is the only way you can change the name of a module. And usually I try to think of it, I try to take an object-oriented approach to programming, even in VBA, even though you're not per se doing what you would normally do in a full-fledged object-oriented language. And I'm just going to rename this module random. And hit enter, and there you go. If you can see that, very small there. Might have to expand the screen a little bit, but we just changed it from, I think it said module 1 to random. And I did notice something here too. I just want to change this to private, so that no other modules could access this subroutine right here. Okay, now to create a new module, I'm just going to right click on that and do insert module, and then I'm going to name this one real quick, get, oops, my keyboard is acting a little funny with me, get DATA, and hit enter. So now we have a get data module. Throw in my option explicit, and we're going to do our first subroutine. So we'll make this public. Okay. Now, this video is almost 3 minutes long, so I'm going to stop here. And then in our next video, we're going to talk about the project, and I'm going to start planning out the project right within the subroutine. So thanks a lot for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content on this channel, make sure you subscribe, and take it easy. See you next time.